As a professor of English at the University of Baghdad, I prioritize my physical health and make sure to work out twice a week. On Mondays, I usually start my workout with a 10-minute warm up on the treadmill to strengthen my leg muscles. I then move on to upper body exercises such as bench presses, rows, and overhead presses. After completing 3 sets of each exercise, I cool down with a 5-minute walk on the treadmill. On Thursdays, I focus on cardio exercises to improve my endurance. I usually do a 20-minute interval training on the stationary bike, alternating between high intensity sprints and moderate paced cycling. I then move on to a series of body weight exercises, including push ups, planks, and crunches. After 3 sets of each exercise, I stretch for 10 minutes to improve my flexibility. By sticking to my exercise routine, I'm able to maintain my physical health and energy levels, which allows me to perform my duties as a professor of English at the University of Baghdad to the best of my ability.